let's fix this plan. Our client is a musician putting a recording studio in their basement. First thing we can do is take this door here and actually shift it down. In doing so, you get immediate access from the family room into the music studio, and you can replace this existing door now with a window back in this space. The client wanted to put some sort of workout equipment. Obviously, that's a tight space. So instead of having the unfinished space be everything to the left here, we actually are taking it and running the wall this way. And now this is going to be unfinished space. They no longer want the bathroom. So that leaves this finished space here for workout equipment. It means we no longer have to kind of encase the HVAC, and we no longer have a need for that kind of entry sequence. So as you can see, we don't have as much unresolved spaces. We're able to get quite a bit of space at the utility room here. The office has nice view into the recording studio, and then the whole bottom wing here is all finished space with a gym and living